Yo, what's good, YouTube? You know what I'm saying? It's the first day of the hunt, you know what I'm saying? We excited. Then we get ice right now. We about to go to McDonald's, get some breakfast, you know what I'm saying? Get some breakfast, get some food. Then we're gonna meet at the hunt club around like 6:30, 6:15, somewhere around there. But you know, this gonna be a good video. I'm gonna try to record as much as I can. I don't got dogs today because, you know, we ain't hunting that long because we got a football game today. So I can't hunt as long as I want to, so I ain't bringing dogs this first hunt. But I'm going to get content out for you boys. The dogs running. We got a lot of dog men, so we good on dog recording and hopefully kill shots, you know what I'm saying? If we don't get no kill shots, I got you in the next videos. Feel me? We about to shut the cooler down. We just got some ice, you know what I'm saying? Might be a good little day. I'll see y'all boys at McDonald's or the hunt club. I got you. Get on a good little hunt today, Bubba. Yeah, try to get one knocked down, Bubba. What happened? He said what? It's coming this way. Get down, get down. No, it was one dog out. So that one dog was able to get that big butt to stand up. It was like Brandon said it was a 6.8.1 of them. He got the big butt to stand up, but I couldn't keep recording because the dogs wasn't running. So the deer stand up. So Brandon on top of my truck, on top of the dog butt, so he was able to shoot. He said he missed him because it was far out. That we had another stander over there shoot at him. We don't know if he got him down yet, but we'll stay tuned. All right, they said buck down. Said it's a nice size. They said wall anchor, so we about to see. We're walking over there right now. See what Brandon missed on. They said a big buck, not big buck. So we do at Bobcat. Ah, damn. Hey, you killed it?
No, my daughter did.
Your daughter?
Yeah.
Oh, Lord. What kind of buck it is?
She was the first 4 shots.
Oh, man.
And she bobbled them and then.
Hey, I gotta run to see this. See what his daughter did. What the? It's a girl killer. Damn. That's a horse. You killed it? How you feeling right now?
Excited.
Yes,
Very
sir.
pumped.
Who killed him?
She said he had buckled when he
Brandon, you still got paid too, man.
done.
So you still paying too. On 2 shots. Yep.
I ain't gonna lie, I had to shoot anyway.
Oh, that's about a big buck. That's a big one, man.
Soon as you see, I look at the pull. The only one that stayed with it was Cowboy. And you know, doggo, Pillsbury, so we look plenty around Pillsbury.
You do. Had to be cool.
Hey, he's on top, right on top. When I tell you, hold that there. Cowboy stopped for a minute too.
Yeah. That's a damn. One on the down. Let Bobcat do it, baby.
Here we go.
Let Bobcat do it.
Damn.
He sure want to drop time. Let Bobcat do it.
And then you heard after he got that water, how he really started getting in it. I said, oh. If I had ready to do
Hey, Brandon said when he saw him, though, he said it was a big butt, though.
All I saw was horns. So I took it.
I thought you were trying to cross the You miss on this.
I heard him when he
You miss on this.
You see how fast I was about that truck?
No. I was do it now. Look, where I was at, I said,
You miss on that, bro. You shooting one on?
Thinking life.
No, I took it off, so I did shoot, but I said I was only going to shoot if I had something like this going out.
I
So.
probably would have hit him.
Brandon said he was far out there when he shot, though. So.
I'm definitely not shooting.
It hurt.
How many times you shoot? 3.
Yep. And then I'm pretty sure the second one got into him. The third one was down up front.
It's too late now.
Yeah.
Look at him right there too.
You
see that there? Why?
Before she even shot.
Hey, look, Pow.
Watching it.
You know, I ain't stopped Pillsbury up until Cowboy when he hit the road. I told him. You know, when I told him. So I know after y'all think I got in on him. When she said he fell, I walked down here. I walked
But
the road.
Brandon missed
I said,
him.
God, he was laying right there.
Yeah,
He
bro.
was laying right there.
No, man.
All I see was the hole on
Dang.
the side. I didn't see the other.
At least she got it killed, but we knock it down at least, you know what I'm saying?
I said, God, that's a hole there, bro.
His rat curves.
I got to go to the wall there.
Yeah, that going on the wall. I ain't got that got to go on the wall. How you feeling right now, Brando?
Yeah, I feel it.
I told you he was gonna miss.
Hey, boy, hey, look, that thing been way down there, boy.
No.
Huh? I had to shoot. That thing been way down there, boy.
Man, you done missed a wall anchor,
Big
boy.
buck.
Dang. Dang.
Now, if I had shot my 3-inch,
Getting warning them pull up. Yeah, girl killed.
Man, I shot on it, but it been too
How you doing, man? I ain't seen you forever.
How you doing, man? You doing all right? Yes, sir. Good to see you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I gotta check. Yeah, I was that end. No girl killed a big one back here. So I like to see big deer.
One arm, basically.
Yeah, they told me she might kill a big one. I had to ride back in with her. I think the deer was sick. Who killed the deer, little girl?
She's sitting by right now.
With the swing on.
She's excited. You probably about to cry if you killed that deer.
Yes, sir.
She won't leave. I don't know. He went to that Colorado. Let me think about that shit all day.
This nigga missed a big buck, yo.
That's a misser right there.
That's a missile?
That's a missile
That's
right
a
there.
damn missile.
That's a misser.
Point of that, boy.
She got a little dirty. She a little dirty. Nothing special. What's up? Cat eye duo, little cat eye duo. Let me know what y'all think is your favorite truck.